how to start a new file. Remember that all of our projects are done in 300 DPI, and all of our class exercises can be done in 72 DPI. If I create a new file, I will always have the option of choosing, well, any resolution, but I have that resolution set right here. Now, since these are class exercises, and hopefully will save on memory, I'm going to switch to 72 DPI. And I have inches selected, and I can make this regular letter size. I don't, you can really pick any size you want. But for class exercises, that's a general. I mean, we're all used to letter size, so I'm going to hit create. And we can see a couple of things already. Remember, just like Illustrator, Photoshop should seem very familiar. I usually like to have the libraries minimized in my workspace. I could even drag this out and delete it. Libraries is tied to your Adobe Cloud. By the way, I'm in the Essentials default workspace. If you need to reset that, you can. Essentials default. I like to have a view of my layers panel. All of our panels are over on the right side. All of our tools are over on the left side. All of our options are on the top. Again, very familiar with, or should be familiar with your work through Illustrator. A couple of things with the file already. It's untitled. We haven't saved this, so it's untitled. And we're at 100%. And remember that that percentage means how much you're zoomed in. So if I hit Command plus or Command minus, you can change that zoom in capacity. Notice that my zoom percentage has changed. Command plus, Command minus. Remember that if you get lost in wherever you're working, if you're zoomed in too much, you can always hit Command 0 to bring you back to fill the screen. All right, we'll see you next time.